Hi class, let's take a look at example 5. And well, similar to the previous problems, it's composed of a multiplication of functions, and technically one function is going to differentiate to 0. The other one is going to actually, we're going to be able to integrate it with not a problem. So in this case, we're looking at a 3x squared plus a 2x minus 1. And then the e to the negative x. So the first derivative, it's going to be a 6x plus 2. And then the first integral is going to be negative e to the negative x. Then we're going to get the actual 6, and then e to the negative x. And then technically the 0, so we can stop here. Let me double check. 6x plus 2, then 6, then 0. The pairing of this function is going to be in the following form. I'm missing one. So this is negative e to the negative x. And then technically the 0 is not going to do anything. So then we're going to start with plus, minus, and plus. So this particular integral, it's going to be equivalent to because of the first integral, I'm just going to write it as a negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 e to the negative x, then minus, and then a 6x plus 2 e to the negative x minus a 6 e to the negative x plus c. Let me check the signs, but that would be it for this one. I'm just going to write it in that form since technically we don't need to multiply or distribute. It'll just make a bigger mess. So plus, but then there's a negative, and then minus. Yep, that's it.